Hello, and a very warm welcome to all our curious listeners. You're tuned into Knowledge Hub, the place where we turn complicated tech into simple conversations. I'm Sarah, your host, and with me today is the brilliant John Smith. Hey, John, how's it going?
Hey, Sarah. Hey, everyone. I'm super excited for today's topic because we're diving into something that's shaping our world, artificial intelligence, specifically its types, reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, and the big one, self-awareness.
Exactly. These sound a bit fancy and maybe a little intimidating, but don't worry. By the end of this episode, you'll understand them so well you could explain them to your grandma at the dinner table. Let's start with reactive machines. John, what exactly are they?
Reactive machines are the simplest form of AI. Think of them like a mirror. They just react to the current situation. They don't have memory or learning ability.
So, no learning? Just action and reaction?
Exactly. The perfect example is IBM's Deep Blue, the chess-playing computer that beat Garry Kasparov in the 90s. It didn't remember past games, it just analyzed the current chessboard and calculated the best possible move.
Mini exercise. Listeners, here's a quick challenge. Imagine you're driving a car and you see a red light. You stop immediately. That's a reactive action. No memory, just response. Okay, so what's next?
Next, we have limited memory AI. These are a step smarter. They can use past information to make better decisions.
Like how self-driving cars work?
Exactly. They look at data from the last few seconds, cars nearby, speed, direction, and use that memory to make safe driving decisions.
Analogy? So it's like when I cross the road, I don't just look at one car, I look at traffic for a few seconds before deciding to cross.
Perfect example.
This one sounds a bit deep. Theory of mind. What is that?
This is where AI starts to understand human emotions, beliefs, and intentions. Imagine a customer service chatbot that not only answers your question, but also notices you're frustrated and changes its tone to be more empathetic.
So AI that can read the room?
Exactly. This is still in development, but think about robots in healthcare. One day they might comfort patients who are anxious or sad.
And finally, self-awareness. This one sounds a bit like science fiction.
Yes, because we haven't reached this level yet. A self-aware AI would understand itself, its own emotions, and maybe even have desires, like a robot saying, "I think, therefore I am."
That's both exciting and slightly scary.
Exactly, but we're still far away from that.
Wow, what a journey today! We went from simple reaction-based machines to imagining robots with self-awareness. John, this was amazing.
Always a pleasure, Sarah. I hope our listeners now feel confident talking about these AI types.
Absolutely. And for our audience, try this. Next time you use Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, think about which type of AI they are. That's your homework.